Hey guys, I am Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and you all are safe. My today's poem is about friends, and I wrote this one during the lockdown when I hadn't seen my friends for a few months and I was really missing them, so I wrote this one. And if you go and check this poem on my blog, you'll also see I've posted a few pictures with them. So yeah, I wrote this poem about friends, and when I was writing this poem, I literally googled what is the importance of friends in our lives, and I came up with a very interesting point that friends help us in our mental health and they help us in staying physically fit. I'll read out 2 to 3 lines that I found really interesting. That a recent study concluded that having solid friendships in our life even helps promote brain health. Friends also help us handle stress, make better lifestyle choices, and keep us strong and allow us to rebound from health issues and disease more quickly. Now, with this issue of mental health and mental fitness hovering over our heads for the past few months, so I found this really important and interesting. Trust me, if you have a best friend, you are really lucky. Okay, enough of the talking now. Now I'll recite the poem for you, and the title is Friends. From friends to family, it's a very long journey, including all the laughter and tears, summing up the insecurities and fears. Who is a friend? The one who pushes you to do better, the one who gathers you up when shattered, the one who prioritizes you, the one who appears out of the blue. You don't search for them specifically, they just show up their face slyly. Remember those summer and winter vacations where a month seemed like a long duration? Because I just wanted to see my friends, and virtual hugs were the only things I could send. Remember those night stays where we drank water and pretended to be drunk? Also, the late night gossips and class bunks. It has been months, which seem like years now, and I haven't seen my friends. I miss them would be too less to say because their presence makes me gay. From watching friends and planning to live together to moving to different cities with different weathers. No matter what happens, you can never forget the journey that you have shared. All the times you got hurt and they cared. Feel blessed if you have their shoulder to cry on, a picture on wall with the same clothes worn. Remember those goodbyes after schools, laughter and cries filled in an emotional pool. Running late for college lectures to wearing clothes with same texture. All I can say is I love my friends and I don't want this journey to end. Thank you all for being there for me. If anyone ever feels low, friendship is the key. Thank you. I have a best friend and her name is Jenny, and we have been best friends since last 7 years, I guess. Our friendship started through basketball. We used to play together, and then initially it grew. We started visiting each other's houses. Now we live quite far from each other, but whenever it comes to her, I do not hesitate, whatever the thing is. There are some points where I might feel that she wouldn't understand, but at least having someone to hear you is a great thing. Like, you should feel blessed if you have good, true friends around you. That was it. That was my poem on friends. If you liked it, do share it with your friends. And just a small line I'd like to share: give them the importance they deserve. Do that. Thank you. I'll see you next time with another poem. Until then, take care. Bye.